Hello guys, this video is for educational purpose only. How we get our Termux and our Android device and how to configure our Termux and getting data from bots. Let's see how it's work. It's only for educational purpose. First, you download Termux from fdroid.org. This is the first link. You just copy or press inscription and you get here. You download your fdroid application. After that, you search Termux in fdroid. You search Termux. You install Termux. This is our first action. After that, we must download our Kiwi browser. For downloading Kiwi browser, you go to appllication.com. The link will be in the description. You download our Kiwi browser. This Kiwi browser. We do this first things. After that, we open our Termux. We give it all permission. After giving all permission to Termux, we must do all this package like shown below. You copy and paste in Kiwi in Termux one by one. You can paste or like that. You copy and paste or like that. It will do all for you from package 1 to package JIT to get all link to get all package installed for best working of our Termux like shown below. Install one by one. You copy one by one. I copy all of them, but it's do install JIT like you see one by one. After installing all, we click in ls. Now it will show our storage. You put cd space storage. I already opened in storage. After that, simply you open cd space storage. After that, you put ls, hit enter. After that, you open cd downloads and put ls and hit enter. After that, you copy you put ls, then hit enter. After that, you put cd space the downloaded file, the name of your downloaded file to open it, and hit enter. After that, you will be in your downloaded file. It's be opening. It's a bot or anything the other thing. If have requirements, you just copy this command pip3. This you copy and put in your Termux, then hit enter. It will install all necessary package for your bot. Then if you have data.txt or query.txt file, you must edit. You put nano space data.txt. You hit enter. You will get your data empty. You just copy your query ID or user ID and put and paste in the screen that appear in Termux like that. We click nano space data.txt. We put our query ID here, then you click Ctrl X Y, then hit enter, then ls, then hit enter like shown below. Now we run our bot python space bot.py or python.space main.py. But how to get data? Simply we open web.telegram in our Kiwi browser. This is our Kiwi browser. We open our web.telegram. We put in desktop mode. We click in desktop mode. Now we must log in. We put we log with by phone number. We click by logging by phone number. That's all. After that, you log in your account in Kiwi browser, and don't forget to put in in desktop mode. This is how it's working. Now we must have two extensions. The first extension one, it's X-frame header. If we search here X-frame header, we write X-frame header or copy from description. You'll get your extension here. You just click in install like shown below. In your X-frame header, this is the first extension. And if you go to extension here in your Kiwi browser, you open developer mode, you make like that. After that, you return, you copy this media file, you paste in your Kiwi browser, you download this file. You download this file simply, you download this extension from Mediafire. After downloading this bypass TT, you click in 3-point here, you go to extension, you open developer mode like shown below. If you open the developer mode, it will appear these things from zip, CRX and GS. You click from zip this one, and you should choose the downloaded file bypass TT zip file, and you wait some second. It will appear in your extension here. This one bypass Telegram. This extension. This is from Mediafire. This is how it's work for Termux and getting data. This is for educational purpose only. See you another mining video.